begin in the heartland of America, home to the classic American apple pie. This pie is a symphony of flavors with a flaky crust that enrobes a sweet cinnamon-spiced apple filling. The beauty of this pie lies not just in its taste but also its preparation. The lattice crust is a weaving technique that does more than just look pretty. It allows for steam to escape during baking, giving the pie a texture that's uniquely its own. Now we cross the Atlantic to the Netherlands. The Dutch apple pie, or apple tart as it's known locally, takes a heartier approach. The crust is thick, providing a robust base for the apple filling. But the real star of the show is the generous crumble topping. It's not just a delicious addition. It introduces a delightful crunch that contrasts beautifully with the soft apple filling. Next, we arrive in the land of romance, France, and meet the Tarte Tatin. This upside-down tart is a testament to how sometimes culinary accidents can turn into masterpieces. The caramelized apples sit at the bottom, or should we say the top of the tart, creating a rich, deep flavor that is quite unlike any other. For our final stop, we venture into the realm of the abstract. Here we encounter a deconstructed apple pie. This version challenges the conventional, breaking down the elements of an apple pie and presenting them in a novel way. It's an exciting exploration of familiar flavors, presented in an unfamiliar format. So there we have it, 4 unique takes on the apple pie. From the traditional American version to the hearty Dutch version, the elegant French Tarte Tatin, and the abstract deconstructed apple pie, we've seen how this classic dessert is interpreted around the world. Each version tells its own story, but they all share a common thread: the humble apple. So the next time you bite into an apple pie, remember, you're not just having a dessert, you're experiencing a slice of culinary culture. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the apple pie. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join us on more tasty adventures. Until next time, bon appétit!